In RMM monitoring, it is possible to view all notifications, which indicate performance or security problems, of the monitored devices. There are error and warning notifications, as well as notifications concerning Windows services, processes and events. For each notification, type, group, computer, start date and duration are indicated. The details of each PC can be accessed by clicking on the name and searching by filtering by notification type. Ended notifications are archived and can be searched by type and time period. It is also possible to receive notifications by email, by activating the relevant categories under Email Notifications. Notifications are generated according to the policy assigned to each device.